If you are getting a 404 page not found error on GitHub Pages, don't worry. This is actually a very common issue, and I'm going to show you a quick fix. First, open your GitHub repository and go to your project page. From the top menu, click on Settings. Now, on the left side, scroll down and click on Pages under the Code and Automation section. Here's the important part. For the GitHub Pages 404 error fix, check the source setting. It should be set to Deploy from a branch. Next, under Branch, make sure you select Main. If it shows None, just change it to Main manually. After that, set the folder to Root and click Save. Now, wait around 30 seconds to a minute while GitHub publishes your site. Once it's done, you'll see a live URL at the top. Click it, and your site should load without the 404 not found error. And yeah, that's how you fix GitHub Pages not working in just a few steps.